Hello everyone, this is Anita. I'm in Canton Fair now. Today I would like to introduce my Indian customers to you. So this is and we have been cooperating with each other for more than 2 years. So now let's listen to him, his opinion and comments about our company, quality and services. Please.
Hello everyone. We have been working with Yilong for last more than 2 years and they are providing consistent quality and we are really happy with that, and not a single time we have received any complaints in the product they are selling it to us. So we highly recommend that company, and the price is very competitive. So you can definitely look for this company. I mean, if you want to source something from China, and this is the best company to work with.
Thank you. Really very nice comments for us. Thank you. And we hope with our support and your trust, so we will grow faster, and then we have many items and more business in the future. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.